Swami Vivekanand once said that if the child cannot come to the school must go to the children. Inspired by the same thought, Gramothan Sansadhan Kendra works with a remit to inform each and every citizen about the programs of village development, empowerment and employment through its digital literacy program termed as Ekal on Wheel. This initiative aims at taking the IT lab at their doorstep that cannot come to the lab. Gramothan Sansadhan Kendra has provided the resource digital literacy through Ekal Computer Lab. The Ekal on Wheel was launched on 14th October 2014. One mobile van equipped with 12 laptop, scanner and printer is provided along with dedicated computer teacher. It covers 2 to 3 villages per day. Until now, nearly 650 students got certificate from GRC Karanjo.
कंप्यूटर सीखे रहेंगे तो इसके जरिए हम लोग तो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं, तो इसके जरिए हम नए नए तकनीक अगर जाने रहेंगे तो घर वालों सबको बता नहीं सकेंगे। और अगर हम फैशन डिजाइन में अगर ज्वाइन करना चाहेंगे तो इसके जरिए हम उससे भी जुड़ सकते हैं बहुत सारा।
This lab serves the purpose of conducting IT training program starting from basic digital literacy program to skill-based IT program under National Skill Qualification Framework. IIT Mumbai has developed software through which the villagers are learning through speaking tutorial computer course.
लिबर ऑफिस सूट के साथ शुरुआत के लिए आप या तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज 2000 और या इसके उच्च वर्जनों जैसे MS विंडोज XP या MS विंडोज 7 का उपयोग कर सकते हैं।
जब सीख के रहेगा तो जहाँ नहीं जहाँ काम में आ सकता, सिखा के अगर बाहर में सीखेगा तो पैसा खर्च लगेगा।
The villagers are not only learning exchange of information, but rather they are learning about employment as well. Central government has initiated a thought of Digital India program and strongly believes that this can be a game changer in many sectors like education, land records, banking, direct benefit transfer, health, skill development, administration, planning and each and every sectors related to development and job creation. The Ekal Computer Lab is helping also the young girls of rural area in inculcating confidence and come out of four walls. It will also strengthen to women empowerment. Our aim and objective is to popularize computer literacy program in rural India, make rural youth capable to work with Digital India.